Hello guys, welcome back to Cabello. Welcome back to another beard update on growing my beard. So today, as you probably saw on the title, I am going to shave, or rather trim my beard. So yeah, I'm calling it quits. I mean, it's been 9 weeks now, and it's okay. I really like what it looks like on this side. I would totally just keep growing it if the other side looked like this side, but the other side looks like this still. It's just too patchy, to be honest. It was a fun experiment. I had never grown my facial hair for this long ever, so it was cool to try. But I'll probably do it again. Maybe in around 2 to 3 months, just to see my progress again. I'm gonna keep using Minoxidil, of course. I'm gonna keep using Minoxidil for I don't know, maybe 1 more year. And yeah, without further ado, I am going to shave. Or trim, sorry, I keep saying shave, but I'm gonna trim. Alright, well, here we go. Also, you might have noticed, I forgot to mention, I shaved my mustache, and I don't I don't really like it. I thought it was a good idea since my mustache was very weak, but now I like it even less. Hopefully, I still like my facial hair and I don't go clean shaven after I trim it, but we will see. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one, this little simple trimmer I have. I'm gonna set it up here for number 8. If you can see it, number 8 on this side. It will focus. There you go, number 8. And hopefully, just go down. Go down in the numbers. I'm gonna start with a high number. So here goes nothing. Alright, so that really didn't do a lot, but that's kind of the point. You just go trimming step by step, and that's what it looks like. Alright, so that's what that looks like. And let's go down to number 6 on the trimmer and see what that looks like. Alright, so that's number 6. Yeah, you can definitely see the patches more now that is shorter. Like this patch right here, you can definitely see it more. I don't mind this, to be honest. Not as much as when it was longer. I still wish I didn't shave my mustache, but I don't know. I feel like if I go lower than this, I might regret it. But yeah, I don't know if I'll regret going lower. I don't know what to do here. Alright, I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna go with number 4, but I'm not gonna go any lower than that. Alright, so that is number 4 on the trimmer. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. All right, here we are. That's a number 4 on my beard. Yeah, you can definitely see a lot of patches even here now. Even on my chin, you couldn't really see before. But oh, it's kind of cool. I don't know. I kind of like it. I think I'm gonna leave it there, number 4. And now I'm just gonna do some shape up. Gonna shape it up a little bit more. And yeah, here we go. Alright, so for the shape up, I'm gonna use my Philips Norelco one blade, I think it's called. This thing is awesome. I really like it. So just gonna try to shape it up a little, try to not to mess up this line. Yeah, here we go. Alright, and that's the edge up. Yeah, I don't think that went too bad. I didn't get too close to the line, so I didn't mess it up. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, guys, here we are. This is number 4 in the trimming machine that I have. And that's what that looks like. And yeah, I just wish I really didn't shave my mustache. Man, that was a bad idea. But yeah, I'm really feeling this number, you know? I'm really feeling this length on my beard, and I think it suits me pretty well, especially with all the gaps. Since it's shorter, the gaps are not as pronounced, I feel. Maybe just a little bit longer chin hair would have been nice, but I think I am good with these. I like it, you know? And I'm gonna go to the barber soon and get my fade, let the hair grow longer on top again. And when I go, he usually gives me, you know, the line, and he usually does it really well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with this, pretty good with this, quite satisfied. So yeah, that was this video, guys. I hope you guys don't get mad that I shaved. I honestly I don't know, I didn't really like it that much. When it was getting too messy, too many patches, and it was also getting kind of annoying to apply minoxidil. So yeah, I just decided to trim it. And I'll see you guys, I think next week. It's 9 months of using minoxidil, so I'll do another video then. And until then, make sure you keep applying minoxidil. If you're not applying it yet, do your research. It has worked for me, as you can see. So yeah, I'll see you next week or in the next video. Bye.